It was just concrete walls in here. This place used to be a mall when I started with AT&T, 21 years ago. The transformation here has really helped with engagement between all of our employees here.
The employees get excited and really have a sense of pride.
We have a variety of different areas.
The very first area is our training and nesting area. That has a NASA theme or a space theme, Houston being Space City. We have a state-of-the-art classrooms.
We also have cityscapes where you'll see some popular landmarks around Houston. A graffiti wall that's very popular.
We have the 4x10 video walls. We have 3 of those, which takes you on a ride through Houston.
We have telepresence rooms that we use frequently. We also have huddle rooms.
Open collaboration spaces allow us to sit and speak openly and honestly with each other about the best way to solve some of the issues that we face. We have our wow rooms, which allow all of our employees to experience all of AT&T's great products and services, so it's really hands-on. Those rooms are open at any time.
I love the people and just coming into work every day.
We love Houston. It's a great place to be. We love AT&T. It's a great place to work, and when 2 entities like that come together, you can't help but achieve greatness.